I need to talk about how much rental are you getting in 2024 for student accommodation. And it is such a difficult topic that, I struggle to explain it to my landlords, because NSFAS puts out there, you're going to get 50,000 for the year, 5,000 a month. But is it really that much that they're going to get? And does that cover all kinds of, eventualities? Not so much. My name is Rita van Rooyen, and I am the founder and CEO of a company called My Student House. And we manage students all across South Africa. And we help new landlords get into student accommodation and to manage their students for them. So let's get back to it. Okay, the 50,000, the 5,000 a month thing, I think it's just a myth. There's no way that you're actually going to get that 5,000 rand.